Good morning. We got the bikes all loaded up. Next stop, Deadwood, just 18 short hours away. After 14 hours of driving, we finally made it to the first destination of Sioux Falls. Hello. We have made it to Deadwood, South Dakota. We have gone out and explored the town of Deadwood. We have also went on our first ride trying to find a hiking trail and ended up going up miles of gravel path until it got a little too dangerous for us, so we turned it around and we're about to head off on our second adventure to Mt Rushmore. So hopefully this goes a little better and we'll see you there. Good morning. Today we are off to Custer State Park to go see the wildlife. Yesterday we saw Mt Rushmore and apparently I lost both my taillight lenses, which is unfortunate, but no big deal. Bikes are all ready to go. We will also be going to get to see Needles Highway, which is going to be gorgeous, so let's get it. This is our second full day here. Custer Park was beautiful, and now we're gonna go off to Devils Tower. 6 o'clock in the morning, and we're gonna summit Bear Butte. We made it to the summit. it to our final destination, Badlands National Park, and it did not disappoint.